This is Team 8086Y. Our code is 1C31NV. This is for the driver skills run. You can see our sign with our name and code on the right-hand side next to the timer on the laptop. That's set for 1 minute.
All right. We shall begin the driver skills run. 3, 2, 1, go. Uh, 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer's down. Driver controller.
Again, the code was 1C31NV for Team 8086Y. That was very optimal.
Now I can do those via phone.
All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.